how can you save a web page image as a JPEG on the iPhone? Let me show you how it works. If you're new here, most definitely subscribe so you don't miss tutorials and explanations like this one. So it depends on which website you are looking at. For example, I'm going to go to the Unsplash where you have like the ability to download these free photos, but there are like more ways to do it. Obviously, there is a dedicated download button, download for free, so you can utilize that on such website. But if you do not have it, you have the option to just hold down on the image. It should like pop up like this, and you have the ability to save it to the photos. So you can literally just click that, and the photo should be downloaded to your gallery, to the Photos app like this. And you can swipe up on it and see all of the information about it, and it's just a regular photo saved in the gallery from the internet. So you can do it on a Unsplash website like this, and you'll be able to just get at the photos that way. So yeah, it kind of depends on what exactly you need to do, because mostly it is going to work the same way. But at the end of the day, if it doesn't, you still have the ability to capture it as a screenshot by pressing the volume up and the power button, and then adjust the selection so you only capture the image on the screen like that. And that is how you can save it to your gallery too, which is of course going to lower it down the quality a little bit, depends on the image, but that is also another option you have. So let me know in the comments below. Most definitely subscribe for tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll see you later. So thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you soon.